You know, the best one for me was when one of my mums at school, they're looking at doing a knockdown rebuild, and she hadn't been to this house, and we were like, near the end of this build. She's like, I was just doing a drive around the area and I saw this one that I really liked and I love the style that they're doing. I was like, all right, show me a photo, and she showed me a photo and it was our house. I was like, that's my house. I'm Fran.
I'm Tom.
And we built a GJ Gardner home. It was a really big journey for us. We had never even renovated a bathroom, so we really needed someone to guide us through the process, and GJ were really great at that.
The decision really sort of came from a couple of years prior in terms of looking to do an extension off the back of our house, and which then we saw from an independent builder, cost-wise, was horrendously expensive. And then we actually looked to buying a house, of which then the prices were astronomical. So then the decision was to then try and look at different ways you can build it. But we really wanted to have some input in where the houses was built, hence why we felt our conversations with GJ Gardner enabled us to actually work from a base of a floor plan and then being able to put your own spin on it, which was very important to us, which you couldn't do with the other project builders. And if you wanted to go with the bespoke side of things, the prices was just horrendously expensive. So it was a really good happy medium for our sort of way of life.
And I suppose everyone kind of uses this forever home term, and for us, definitely for me, before we started this, I was like, no, there's no such thing as a forever home. But now I understand that concept, because you build something from the ground up and every little detail is there because you made that decision to put it there. So it gives you an attachment to a home that I don't feel like you get if you just buy one. I mean, you are literally handing over your number one asset and seeing it get knocked down and hope to God that what gets built is what everyone's telling you it's going to be.
It's a huge amount of trust.
Yeah.
I mean, you are literally, like Fran said, I mean, you are putting everything at somebody else's door and knocking something down that you've spent a lot of money to purchase.
Through some of the stages, my God, like when there's just nothing there, or there's a slab, or there's just frames, and you're thinking to yourself, oh my God. Like,
well, even when the slab went down, I remember thinking, I've got the floor plan out, and you're literally like, I don't understand how that is all going to fit.
Yeah.
And then you have conversations with Daisy and Mark, and they are
calm. They're just
putting
calm.
your mind at rest in terms of, no, it's all to spec, and you just have to trust that is what's going to happen.
Every single person that steps into this house, it's like a walking testimonial. Yeah, we feel really, we wouldn't hesitate to recommend GJ.